Good morning, children. Today we are going to see about chapter 7 urban administration. Okay, urban administration. One lazy Sunday afternoon, Mala and her friends Shankar, Jahangir, and Rehana were playing a game of cricket in the street. Why we are saying the Sunday is lazy? Because we are taking rest in the Sunday. Shankar had bowled a good over, and although he nearly managed to get Rehana out, she was still batting. Okay, Rehana out, but she was still batting. Frustrated, he bowled a short ball and hoped she would hit it for an easy catch. Instead, Rehana hit the ball so hard and so high that the street light broke. Rehana screamed, "Oh no, look what I have done!" Shankar said, "Yes, we forget to make a rule that if you break the street light, you are automatically out." But Mala, Jahangir, and Rehana were more worried about what had happened, and they told Shankar he had better stop thinking about the wicket. Last wicket, they had broken Nirmala Mouse's window and had spent their pocket money to have it replaced. Would they have to dish out money again from their pockets? But who would they pay this to? To whom did the lights on the street belong? Who changed them? Rehana's house was the closest, and they ran and told her mother what had happened. Rehana's mother said, "I don't really know these things in great detail, but I do know that it is the municipal corporation of the city that takes care of replacing lights. The best person to ask would be Yasmin Kala. She just retired from the municipal corporation. Go and ask her, and Rehana come back home soon." Okay, already we told about village means gram panchayat, and then city means municipal corporation. Yasmin Kala lived in the same land, and she and Rehana's mother were good friends. The children ran to Kala's home, and when she opened the door, they began to tell her what had happened all at once. When they asked about the street light, Yasmin Kala laughed and said, "There is no one person that you can pay the money to. There is a big organization called the municipal corporation." Okay, municipal corporation that takes care of the street lights, garbage collection, water supply, keeping the streets and market clean. These all are the works about municipal corporation. Okay, you don't worry that. Kala said, "I have heard about the municipal corporation. They have put up signs around the city to inform people about malaria," said Mala. Okay, and then, "Yes, you are quite right. You are quite right. The municipal corporation is also responsible for ensuring that diseases do not break out in the city. It also runs schools, hospitals, and dispensaries, that is pharmacy, and makes gardens and maintains them," said Yasmin Kala. Then she added, "Our city, Pune, is a big city, and so here it is called municipal corporation. In smaller towns, it is called municipal council." Smaller towns means it is called municipal towns, and then big town means it is municipal corporation, and then village means it is panchayat. Okay, the word councillor and administrative staff. Yasmin Kala, "I am curious." Curious means very eager. Yasmin Kala, "I am curious. Who decides where a park should go in that municipal corporation in smaller towns?" Okay, the ward councillor and administrative staff. Ward councillor, in a ward councillor, in this ward councillor and administrative staff, already we are seeing only that. Yasmin Kala, "I am curious said like this, when you worked in the municipal corporation? Asked Rehana. Rehana is asked for that lady. No, Rehana, I was working in the accounts office of the corporation, so I just worked on pay slips only. Pay slips. Cities or corporation has to make a lot of decisions as well as do a lot of work to keep the city clean. The decisions like where a park or a new hospital should go are usually made by the ward councillors. Made by the ward councillor. The decisions like where a park or a new hospital should go are usually made by the ward councillors. Okay. Next one, the city is divided into different wards and ward councillors get elected. The city is divided into different wards and ward councillor get elected. Elected means we are only selecting that persons also. The complicated decisions that affect the entire city are taken by groups of councillors who form committees to decide and debate issues. For example, if bus stands need to be improved or a crowded marketplace needs to have its garbage cleared more regularly, or there is a nala or drain that cuts through the city that needs cleaning up, etc. It is these committees for water, garbage collection, street lighting, and then etc. that decide on the work to be done. Okay, this is the work of the councillors, ward councillor. They only decide and debate the issues. When the problems are within a ward, then the people who live in the ward and contact their councillors. If already I told about stands, if bus stands needs improved, a crowded marketplace, these all are the things. If the things happen means the councillor only get the news, and then only he want to purify that and all, clarify and then give the solution like that all. Okay. Okay. In this committees for water, garbage collection, street lighting, that decide on the work to be done. When the problems are within a ward, or the people who live in the ward can contact their councillors. For example, if there are dangerous electrical wires hanging down, then the local councillor can help them get in touch with the electricity authority, while the councillors committees and the councillors decide on issues. Okay. Though, for example, if there are dangerous electrical wires hanging down, then the local councillor can help them get in touch with the electricity authority. While the so how does the municipal corporation get its money? We have to see this. Okay. So while the councillors committees and the councillors decide on issues, the commissioner and the administrative staff implement this. The commissioner and the administrative staff are appointed, councillors are elected. So how are these decisions made? Asked Rahana, who never gave up on her train of thought. The commissioner and the administrative staff implement this. The commissioner and the administrative staff are appointed, councillors are elected. That's why they are giving the solution for that problems. That's why we are selecting the people. So how are these decisions made? Asked Rahana, who never gave up her train of thought. When all of the ward councillors meet and they make a budget, and the money is spent according to this, the ward councillors try to ensure that the particular demands of their wards are placed before the entire council. council. These decisions are then implemented. The decisions are then implemented by the administrative staff, said Yasmin Kala, enjoying the questions. They are enjoying the questions that the children asked. But some people, why you are asking this and like that? But this Yasmin Kala giving the answer very politely for that children. Then only the children got the ideas for among the municipality, councillor, and then the administrations. Okay, this is the important thing to speak others. This is the polite way to convey ourselves, means this is respectful words, but we are giving very harsh, means then not they are come to speak with us. Okay. No adults asked her about her job, and the children's questions provided her an opportunity to relive some of her experiences. How does the municipal corporation get its money? Providing and running so many services requires a lot of money. The municipal corporation collects this in different ways. It taxes a sum of money that people pay to the government for the services the government provides. People who own homes have to pay a property tax as well as taxes of water, other services. Okay, and then but the city is so large. City is so large. It must take a lot of people to look after it. Does the municipal corporation have a lot of workers? Asked Shankar curiously, eagerly. He had by now luckily forgotten about the cricket match and is incomplete over. Yes, the work in the city divided into different departments. So there is the water department, the garbage collection department, the department to look after gardens, another to look after roads. I worked on accounts in the sanitation department, said Yasmin Kala, and then went to offer the children some kebabs to eat. Jahangir ate his kebabs at top speed, and as he wolfed them down, he asked loudly from the kitchen, Yasmin Kala, where does the garbage that the municipal corporation collects to go? The others were still eating when Yasmin Kala began to answer. This question has an interesting answer. As you know, you can usually find garbage lying all over the street. Earlier, even our neighborhood used to have garbage lying all over, and if this remains uncollected, it attracts dogs, rats, and flies. Also, people get ill from the smell. Ill means get sick. Some problem in her health. At one point, things became so bad that children even stopped playing cricket in the street because their parents were afraid that they would get sick from staying on the street too long. Okay, staying too long. A community protest means against. A community protest means against. Yasmin Kala continued. The women were very unhappy about the situation and even came to me for advice. I said I could try and speak with some officer in the department, but I was not sure how long it would take. Then it was Gangabai who said that it was the ward councillor who we should go to and protest, since we are the ones who elected him. She gathered a small group of women and went to his house. They began shouting slogans in front of his house.